Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a live swatch video on MLF Lacquer's new releases. Jessica from MLF Lacquer sent me her new upcoming collections. One is the Beach Day Duo and the other one is the 4th of July Trio. And in today's video I will be showing you live swatches on my natural nails. I do hope that you will enjoy this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of my future live swatch videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will link for you everything also in the description box that I can, but these polishes will be releasing on June 19th at midnight EST, and Jessica will be also donating a small portion of her sales to good causes. As we know, so much is happening right now all around the globe, and she decided to donate some of the proceeds for these nail polishes, and I believe anything on her website that is purchased on June 19th to two good causes. So thank you so much for thinking about people in need, Jess, and for supporting certain organizations that you decided to provide some help to. And I think during these difficult times, it's always so heartwarming to know that there are makers out there who are supporting the community, and I think it's very important to support these indie makers as well. As far as application goes, most of these polishes are opaque in 2 to 3 coats depending on the length of your nails and your personal application. And I think my favorite is the Beach Day collection. Even though the 4th of July polishes are gorgeous, you will see in the live swatches momentarily, but for some reason I think it's because summer is coming, and even though I'm not necessarily a beach person, I do enjoy spending my time near beaches. So let me know, guys, which polish is your favorite out of these, and let me know if you will be picking up any of these polishes on June 19th when they release. Thank you so much everybody for being here today. Keep watching my live swatch portion, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.